a smart device that lets you drive on a flat tire without a spare, helping you safely reach the nearest repair shop. Upgrade your driving experience with a head-up display that keeps your focus on the road while providing vital information via Bluetooth. This lightweight wireless car vacuum tackles dirt and debris in every corner, making cleaning your car effortless with just one hand. A powerful car jump starter that uses high-speed polymer batteries for quick and reliable starts. Say goodbye to dropped calls and unsent messages with a powerful cell phone signal booster. It keeps you connected. A compact blower that drives your car swiftly, perfect for both the interior and exterior. A multi-purpose tray that hooks onto your steering wheel, creating a convenient surface for meals, snacks, or work. A mechanical fidget device that helps relieve stress and anxiety with its smooth, mesmerizing movements. Make refueling on the road easy with a portable pump. Just attach the nozzle and press a button. A retractable car charger with multiple ports to charge all your devices effortlessly. Digital monitors offering improved visibility and a modern alternative to traditional side mirrors. Enhanced tire traction on snowy roads with high-quality snow socks designed for extra grip and reduced wheel spin. Repair flat tires quickly and safely with a kit that doubles as a regular tire inflator. A heavy-duty lock with multiple hooks for added vehicle security. Charge up to 5 devices at lightning-fast speeds with this intelligent USB car charger. An electric hydraulic jack makes changing tires a breeze with effortless lifting for cars, trucks, and SUVs. A compact, multi-purpose tool with a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter for emergency situations. A car seat that grows with your child, featuring easy adjustments for comfort and safety. A portable air compressor with quick inflation and an easy-to-read LCD screen. Extend your nighttime driving vision with a thermal system that spots hazards up to 200 meters away. Be visible in emergencies with a lighting kit that illuminates up to a mile and offers 360-degree visibility. Stay cool during summer drives with a noise-free, adjustable fan. An advanced system designed to help prevent accidents with upgraded cameras and smart technology. A Bluetooth-enabled MP3 player that syncs with your car's audio system for easy music control. Brew drinks on the go with a smart electric kettle featuring adjustable temperature control. A fun LED display for your car that you can control via an app, offering emojis and animations to match your mood. A compact keychain featuring a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker for quick escapes during emergencies. A laser radar detector that helps you avoid speeding tickets by alerting you in advance. A versatile cup holder with adjustable arms to fit various bottle sizes securely. A handy adapter for seamless electric vehicle charging, compatible with most non-Tesla EVs. Keep your car tidy with a structured, easy-to-use trash can. Capture every moment on the road with a 4K dash cam that records clear, high-definition footage. Bring your headlights back to life with an easy-to-use restoration kit. No tools required. Streamline your car's infotainment system with a wireless adapter for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A secure lockbox that mounts to your car window, perfect for storing keys safely. A semi-automatic phone mount powered by solar energy for easy, secure access to your device. Easily access your car's roof with an adjustable step designed for various door latches. Clean your car's undercarriage with ease using a pressure washer attachment. A 3-speed fan for the back seat, keeping passengers cool and comfortable. A high-definition camera that lets you keep an eye on your baby during car rides. Protect your car's interior with a durable, foldable liner, perfect for pets and messy cargo. An easy-to-install bar that provides extra support for the elderly or those with mobility challenges. A high-quality stainless steel mug for enjoying hot or cold drinks on the go. A versatile fire extinguisher that tackles everything from electrical fires to fabric and lithium battery fires. A flashlight with features like a window breaking tool for unexpected situations. Stay cool with a seat cover that uses advanced turbofans to provide refreshing airflow in seconds. Keep pets safely in the back seat with a net designed to reduce distractions while driving. Clean your car's windows effortlessly with a tool that features a detachable handle for easy storage. Organize loose change with a compact coin holder that stores up to 90 coins. Simplify unbuckling car seats with an easy-to-install tool, perfect for kids and caregivers. Enjoy hot drinks on the go with a sleek heating cup that lets you adjust the temperature. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.